For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has decided to roll out a $12.8 million anti-obesity campaign, which will include a ban on junk food advertisements. Johnson has decided to go ahead with the move after he suffered during his COVID-19 treatment, which he partly blamed on his weight. Boris Johnson has been battling obesity and required intensive care when he was diagnosed with the virus. The campaign, titled Better Health, is expected to include encouraging doctors to issue cycling prescription, especially for overweight patients, a more segregated cycle lane, and a ban on junk food TV advertisements before 9 p.m. COVID-19 has given us all a wake-up call of the immediate and long-term risk of being overweight, and the Prime Minister is clear: we must use this moment to get healthier, more active, and eat better. We will be urging the public to use this moment to take stock of how they live their lives and to take simple steps to lose weight, live healthier lives, and reduce pressure on the NHS. According to the new plan, restaurants will have to publish the number of calories present in the meal served by them to the customers. Estimated to cost around $12 million, the plan marks a U-turn by Boris Johnson, who has long been against a nanny state. The move has come after a recent study published by Public Health England found that obesity increased the risk of death from COVID-19 by 40%.
The current evidence is clear that being overweight or obese puts you at greater risk of serious illness or death from COVID-19, as well as from many other life-threatening diseases.
The British government has estimated that conditions related to obesity have cost more than €6 billion every year to the NHS. According to the government data, there were around 9 lakh hospital admissions in 2018-19 that related to obesity-related disorders. Obesity has been considered a risk factor for chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and liver and respiratory diseases. Calorie labels were considered by the British government 2 years ago, but stopped due to opposition from businesses and the Treasury Department. All the restaurants, cafes, and takeaway chains that employ more than 250 people will be required to list the number of calories on every item on the menu. The rules will cover hot and cold food drinks, which include puddings, milkshakes, and soft drinks. Small cafes and restaurants are exempted after the Treasury warned that the move could impose a lot of burden on small enterprises. The Foreign Secretary, Dominic Raab, has said that once the law is implemented, the onus will be on the people. I seemed to eat my way through the first half of lockdown, and then I lost a bit of weight in the second half when I started to think about it more. But I think more generally, we need to take some personal responsibility. We need action around assessing nutritional food. We need to ban junk food and advertising. And also these high energy drinks we can buy in shops. Why aren't we banning them? Kids shouldn't be buying energy drinks in shops. I'm looking for decisive, radical action from the government, not more backsliding. Although the blueprint of the plan has been outlined, it remains to be seen if the plan will be successful.